AI is moving at an insane speed right now, so I will make a quick video showing you 5 ways you can make decisions more quickly. So number 1 is use more data. Data should be, ideally, I hope it is for you, the foundation layer of all of your decisions, because especially in business, we want to try to make rational decisions rather than subjective and emotional decisions. Men lie, but numbers don't, and it's very true. So the number 1 way I try to use this is I always try to ask myself, before I make a decision, what kind of data resources can I use in this specific use case to make sure I have a more informed ground layer of data that I will leverage for my decision-making process. Number 2, I think everybody should have like a daily content format, maybe a podcast or a YouTube video that they can consume on a daily basis to have somebody to listen to who actually knows what they're talking about. There's always someone that is more informed than you. And you can actually very, very easily leverage those kind of people because they are basically spending all of their time doing the research, doing all the outreach for you to gather all the information and resources currently available on the internet. The third one is try to use AI as leverage. And this goes together with the first and second point. If I have the data resources available and actually have identified some data I can use for my decision, and I also did get some inspiration from a creator, let's say, I can connect the two, paste all this information into one AI session, and then ask about what kind of decision I want to make, and also be open-minded and maybe get some feedback from the AI about the decision you actually should make. Maybe it knows better than you do what kind of decision is missing here. Recognizing the fact that I have a very individual life and also have a specific use case maybe in my life that might not be understood by these creators. But I can use both and put them together in one session and then make a decision. Making decisions is a very draining task because you have to invest mental energy and you have to spend mental energy for making the decisions. So if you have to make more decisions because we are moving more quickly than ever, you have to think about how can you save energy in your daily life. And the way to save energy is, in my opinion, to automate as much of the tasks as possible that you have to do on a continuous basis, ideally on a daily basis, so you actually save energy every single time. So let's say I just automated my email inbox and I don't have to think about all the emails coming through every single day. If I save all of my energy that I used to spend on going through all my emails, I can actually use this energy right now to make more decisions. And this way, I can actually make sure that I stay ahead of the curve and make more decisions more quickly than anybody else. And that's the way to do it, I think personally. Because if you think about it, decisions are basically the thing that influence your behavior. So if you can influence your behavior in more ways, because you have more mental energy and capacity left at the end of the day, I think you will get more successful because you're actually spending more time at the only thing that matters in the end, which is behavior. If you change your behavior more rapidly and more quickly than anybody else, it's basically just a matter of time until you get where you want to go. I hope you got some value out of this video. Give it a thumbs up and also do comment what's the most interesting use cases in terms of your own decision making, so you can actually use this data to influence your life in a positive way and make decisions more rapidly, because we are moving more quickly than any time in history probably. So I hope you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye bye. Thank you.